Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave. Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave.
What a wonderful way to spend your day with Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave.
Yeah.
What a fun day. Here we go.
Yeah.
Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave.
The spinning game will take us on another day's adventure. Say their names.
What a great game!
So play along at home.
Ready.
Ruff on a spin again.
Who knows?
What we might find.
That's my favorite song.
Hatty the hamster taking us there. We
Now
know
we'll have a magical time.
a magical time.
Play along at home. Say their names. Here we go. It's Ruff-Ruff,
Ruff-Ruff,
Tweet,
Tweet,
and Dave.
and Dave. Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave. Yeah.
Oh, hello. I'm Hatty the hamster with my hat full
I love your
of questions.
hat.
I'm just off to see my friends, Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave. Why don't you come with me?
Great idea, Hatty.
Ruff.
Woo woo!
Morning, Ruff-Ruff.
Choo choo! Morning, Hatty.
What are you doing?
I'm pretending to be a train. Choo choo!
Train.
Woo woo! We're the Blue Panda Express. What adventure are we going on today, Hatty? Ask that! Ask that!
Okay.
Today we're going on a train adventure.
A train adventure. Cool.
Do you like my train conductor's hat?
I
It's
love
even got a train ticket.
Love it.
You need a ticket if you want to ride the train.
Wouldn't it be great to ride on a real train?
Maybe we'll find one on our adventure to your rolling pods.
Hooray!
Let's see how it goes.
Okay, let's go! Yay! Ruff-Ruff!
All aboard the spin again for a train adventure.
Train adventure. Nice one.
Woohoo! Yeah! Whee! Hooray! Woohoo! Yeah! Here we go! Yay!
They made it.
Yeah! Whee!
Loving it.
Welcome to the Hatty Express.
The Hatty Express. Nice one.
Oh wow! A real train! Let's go! Hooray! Woohoo! Can I drive the train? Me! I want to drive!
You can't all drive the train at the same time. But my hat can help us decide with a question.
Yay!
Whoever gets it right can drive the train. Let's play.
Yes. Yep. Yeah. I wonder what the question is.
What must you have to show you can ride on a train?
You need a train ticket to ride on a train. You need to take a friend. You need to eat a banana.
I think it's
So who's
Ruff-Ruff.
right? Is it Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, or
Ruff-Ruff, Ruff-Ruff.
Hey, I remember Hatty had a train ticket in his hat. I get to drive the train.
Cool.
Ruff-Ruff.
Okay,
Have a
Ruff-Ruff.
ticket, Hatty.
I have tickets for everyone. Right here. Tickets to ride the Hatty Express to Sandy Beach Station.
Hooray!
Tweet can be the ticket inspector.
Yay! I'm the ticket inspector. What does a ticket inspector do?
You make sure that everyone has a ticket.
I can do that. Oh, thanks, Tweet.
Okay.
Ruff-Ruff.
And Dave, you can blow this whistle to start and stop the train.
Great! I get to blow a whistle.
Train.
Now the train conductor, that's me, calls everyone to climb on the train like this. All aboard!
Everyone has a ticket.
And now everyone is safely aboard. Start the train, Dave.
Good.
Chugga chugga, here we go. Woo! woo! We're riding on a train. Choo choo, clickety clack. We're riding on a
Train.
choo choo, there and back.
Hey.
Hey! A duck is waving at us. Hello!
He's not just waving hello. He wants us to stop and pick him up from the station.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Duck. Where are you going?
He says he's going to Sandy Beach for a swim.
That's where our train's going. Do you have a ticket? Here you are. You need a ticket to travel on our train. Where should we put the duck's package, Hatty?
In the special train car at the back, just for packages.
I'll take it.
Thanks, Dave. All aboard.
Love it.
Ready? I'll blow my whistle to start the train.
Good idea, Dave.
Wait, we can't leave yet.
What?
You called. All aboard! And the train's ready to go.
But my hat's telling me it's time for another question. Let's play.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! I wonder what the question is.
What do we need to do to make sure that everyone on the train is safe before we move?
Ruff, check the tickets again. Close all the doors. Wait for me to eat my banana.
Who's right? Is it Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, or Gilly?
Tweet, 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 no, tweet, tweet, tweet.
Yes, it's
Tweet.
We
Yeah.
must close the doors.
I knew that because I saw Hatty do that last time. Like this.
All safely aboard. Blow the whistle, Dave.
He's such a cool whistle.
We're riding on a train. Choo choo, clickety clack. We're riding on a train. Choo choo, there and back. Hooray!
Next stop, Sandy Beach Station.
Yay! Sandy Beach Station. Ruff.
Crabs.
That crab is a ticket inspector too.
Crabs. These crabs.
Okay, everyone, to the beach.
The beach is fun, Hatty, but we want to ride the train again. Yes, we love riding the train.
Why not? I love the train too. Do you? Woo.
Yep, I love trains.
Moving on. Let's play.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
What does the train conductor call out before the train goes?
Start the train. Go, train, go. All aboard.
So who has
all
the
up.
answer? Ruff-Ruff says.
Start the train.
Start the train.
Tweet says.
Go, train.
Go, train, go.
And Dave says.
All aboard.
All
So
aboard.
who's right? Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, or Dave?
Dave, 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 it's Dave, it's Dave, it's Dave, it's Dave.
It's Dave.
Dave.
Yeah.
Phew.
I remember Hatty always called out, all aboard, before I blew the whistle.
Well remembered, Dave. Now, take your seats, please.
Cool.
Yay!
Start, go, train, go.
Riding on a train
All
is
of,
lots of
Fun. We all helped out. There was so much
all
to be
aboard.
done.
I called all aboard.
Make the train go by giving my whistle a great big blow.
Cool one, Dave.
I had a ticket to ride on the train, and I drove us there. There and back again. Yeah!
Now it's time to go home to the spin again.
I'm such a good.
Here we go!
Thanks.
Thanks for taking a train ride with us today. It was fun, wasn't it? Choo choo.
Kind of was, huh? I like that. Woo woo! Woo
The
woo!
final guessing game, just for you. Can you guess who will fall asleep first today? Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, or Dave?
Dave, 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 Dave.
It was Dave. It's always Dave.
He's a good sleeper, huh?
Don't forget to come aboard with us on our next adventure. Woo woo! Bye bye! Bye bye!
Bye, Hatty. Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave. Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave. Yeah. Ruff-Ruff, Tweet, and Dave. Yes.